Are you looking for the best skateboard tools? In recent years, the demand for high-quality mechanical keyboards has surged, not just among gamers, but also typists who crave satisfying tactile feedback and customizable builds. They want excellent switch feel, premium build quality, smart layouts, and solid value. In much the same way, when it comes to skateboarding, a great multi-tool delivers reliability, versatility, and durability. In this guide, we evaluate each tool's size, socket compatibility, screwdriver and Allen heads, material build quality, and value for money.
Product number 1, all-in-one Skate Tools Multifunction Portable Skateboard T-Tool Accessory. This budget-friendly, all-in-one Skate Tools T-Tool is a strong entry for beginners. It includes a T-type Allen key and an L-type Phillips head screwdriver wrench, so you can adjust trucks, wheels, and hardware screws on the go. The portability is a plus. You'll easily stash it in a backpack or skate bag. On the flip side, because it's relatively inexpensive, material strength and socket depth may not match premium tools. But for everyday tightening, wheel swabs, and basic adjustments, it gets the job done. If you're looking for simple functionality and decent value, this unit fits the bill.
Product number 2, Delavan Skate Tool All-in-One Lightweight Portable Skateboard Tool. The Delavan All-in-One offers nearly everything you'd expect: an Allen wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and multiple sockets sized for trucks, kingpins, and wheels. Reviewers highlight its lightweight design and portability, making it ideal for pockets or travel-ready setups. Because it supports longboards, skateboards, quads, and roller skates, the versatility is excellent. The build appears solid, though it may not match ultra-premium brands in metal grade or socket size range. If you frequently adjust your board or carry tools with you, Delavan is a very capable pick.
Product number 3, Spitfire Wheels All-in-One Skateboard Longboard T3 Tool. The Spitfire T3 tool is from a respected skate brand and focuses on durability and user-friendliness. It's designed for both skateboards and longboards, meaning the sockets are likely sized correctly, and the wrench driver combos are well thought out. Because it comes from a brand that riders know and trust, you gain some assurance of quality. While I wasn't able to dig deep into exact socket specs for this model, the weight and compatibility make it a strong mid-tier pick. If you want something trusted from a skate-specific brand, the Spitfire T3 stands out.
Product number 4, All-in-One Skate Tools Multifunction Portable Skateboard T-Tool Accessory. We list this again because it's essentially the same model as number 1, but merits a second look for those seeking sheer value. Its feature set remains the same: T-type Allen key, L-type Phillips head, multi-socket wrench. If you're on a tight budget and want a no-frills tool, this is a fine choice. However, if you expect heavy use, deep socket penetration, or very high torque adjustments, you might outgrow it eventually. For casual riders, though, it is good bang for buck.
Product number 5, Independent Best Skate Tool, Black. From the iconic truck manufacturer Independent, this tool is a premium option. It is built with metal rather than plastic inserts, strong sockets that fit kingpins and axles, and is designed for longevity. Reviews of similar Independent tools highlight that it is strong and rigid, especially helpful that it doesn't use a plastic casing. Totally recommended. Skate Deluxe Skate Shop. If you ride hard, swap parts often, or just want a tool that will last for years, this is the one. The only caveat is the higher price and possibly a bit more weight in your pocket, but you get premium build and skate brand pedigree.